Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat app not opening snaps. So when you're receiving a Snapchat from someone and you're trying to open that specific snap and it's just not working, it's either loading, nothing happens when you click on it, or there's just something wrong with that snap, and then in this video I'm going to show you how you can basically fix that issue. So let's start with fix number 1, which is really easy. All you need to do is open Snapchat just like I have, and then go to your Bitmoji at the top left corner of your screen. Once you're right here, scroll a bit up till you find settings at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're right here, simply scroll down all the way till the bottom till you find privacy and controls. Under that you will find clear data, where you need to click on just like this. And basically once you've done that, at the bottom you will find clear cache. Just click on that and then click on clear, just like that. Once you've done that, the cache has been cleared over on Snapchat. You can restart the app to see if maybe that fixes your issue. Now, if it still did not fix your issue, then the second thing I would recommend doing is heading over into settings and just making sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have a proper Wi-Fi connection, then this could cause issues with Snapchat not loading snaps or not opening snaps. So always double check if you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Now, if that is still not working, then the third thing I would recommend doing is heading over to settings again, just like this. Once you've done that, head over into general, click on iPhone storage. Once you've done that, scroll down until you find Snapchat right here. Then click on offload app. Wait a few seconds and then click on reinstall app back again using this screen. And no worries, all of your documents and data will be saved over on your device. You will still be logged into everything. It's basically just clearing the cache on Snapchat, but then through the settings app over on your iPhone. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then the fourth fix I have for you in this video is simply reinstalling Snapchat. To do this is really easy. Just hold down Snapchat like this, click on delete app and then reinstall back again using the App Store, and you can see if maybe that fixes your issue. Keep in mind that when you do this, all your documents and data will be removed. So yeah, keep that in mind so you can either back them up or just go for it. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then you might want to check to see if the snap you're trying to open maybe has been sent by someone that you have accidentally blocked, or maybe that person has blocked you, but they sent that snap before that, so now you will not be able to open it because you have basically blocked them or they have blocked you. So just double check that. You can do this by heading over into the top left corner of your screen at your Bitmoji, then to the top right corner of your screen. Then just scroll down just like this. And then just scroll down to privacy controls. Under that you will find blocked users. And just make sure to unblock that user or ask for that person to unblock you. And that's basically all we need to do. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.